year she makes her golden money to buy new weapons in the shape of guns, while every mother in Lake Soweto fears the killing of another son, sneaking across all the neighbors' borders, now and again having little fun. She doesn't care if the fun and games she play, it's dangerous to every